It's a ruler. It draws straight lines. I want to draw circles. Lots of circles. Lots of holes. Check out my instructables. Download the PDF. I've made it easy. Print it out. Cut it out. Spray, stick it on. Punch holes. Lots of holes. Wow, they sound great. Drill 300 holes. Spray it with cutting fluid. Router off the inches. Does anyone use inches anymore? Drill a big hole in the end to fit a bearing. Open up the hole until the bearing just doesn't quite fit. Heat up the ends so that it expands. Pop it over the bearing and let it cool. Nice tight fit. Make some stencils. Stick them on. Mask it up. Spray the colour. Is black a colour? Nice measurement marks. Put your finger on it. Draw circles with a ruler and lines. More lines. Circles. Lines. Ooh, look. It's a fidget spinner.